everyone! It makes me feel warm inside to see all of you again. Oh, wait! I'm feeling happy. Let's practice some happy thoughts, mindful monkeys. Sit in the monkey position, back straight, and close your eyes. Now, think of a person who makes you happy. It might be someone from your family or your friend. It might even be your teacher. When you think of a person who makes you happy, get a really good picture in your head. And imagine giving them a big hug. Now, think of a place that makes you happy. It might be somewhere fun, the beach, or even your bedroom. Get a really good picture in your head. Now, put one hand on your heart and one hand on your tummy and see how it feels in your body to be in your special place. Now slowly open your eyes. Oh, monkeys, that was lovely. I'm feeling so warm and happy in my chest. I feel like I might burst. Bye, mindful monkeys. Time to spread those happy feelings around.